fans, how you doing? And welcome to the new year. 2021 is upon us. To start the new year, we've got the Aston Martin Vantage GT3 car, and it is looking amazing. Well, without further ado, let's drive straight into an R2 corner of Chicago around Gambon. Gambon's on the track and up and over the flyover there. Round, it's got a long R1, big fast R3s there, and he derailed it already on the R2 drift circle down here, which you didn't see because the Aston Martin is too fast. Let's go over close and take a look at that flyover. That is a piece of engineering in itself. But just take it slow. This ring road, this perimeter track is really tasty. I need to raise the table up at this end clearly because I'm concentrating on recording as well as driving. It's not that great for me, but if it gets you a shot of the Aston Martin on track, then I think it's a good thing. Right, let's slow that bit down there. Let's get around the Gambon R1 and into the flyover again up the long stretch. And now this back bit is where we can put our toe down a bit. Slow down into that corner. He's got stuck on the lane change. Classic track fans TV here. Into the R2, round the Gambon, up and over that flyover. I like that flyover. Kind of gives us some shade when we're racing this Aston Martin round that ring road. There he goes, on fire, round that drift circle. Should we try and get some drift in the next lap? Okay, let's talk about the car. This is a new car to the track. Blue livery, beautiful. Drives, it's a little bit like, don't take this the wrong way Aston Martin, the Honda Civic BTCC car. It's got that kind of granular feeling to the drive. When you pull the trigger, you really feel the engine, whereas the Mercedes AMG GT3, that is like driving on, in the nice way, ice. It's so smooth, it sounds good, it's quiet, and it is venomously fast, whereas the Aston Martin here, this has got some grit. This has got the grit. You need this. Maybe if you're going to take on some muscle cars like the Dodge Charger, Dodge Viper, the Challenger, whatever you got, this would be a contender. So I'm going to step back from doing a bit of close-up detailing now. Let's see if we can get a bit of a race going on without derailing. Here we go. Let's show this Aston Martin what we got. Speeding it up a bit now. I don't know if you can get the speed of the car on the camera, but it is pretty quick. Try not to derail. Albert, tell me, how's your tracks going? Have you got that charger set up? I love that charger. I bet you're having a great time with it. Do you need any help? Get your brother to get your dad to give me a call. No worries. Okay, so let's get this booty. Yes. Okay, last lap track fans. Let's get a bit of a close-up going as the Aston Martin takes on these corners into the R2 bend, up to the R1, hanging over there. Round the long stretch, into the home stretch and onto pole. Yes, track fans. Albert, see you soon.